Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Shey and this is Meal Prep Sunday. Today I'm going to be meal prepping barbecue pulled chicken. This meal has 390 calories, 7 grams of fat, 42 grams of carbs, and 37 grams of protein per serving. It makes 8 servings total. Prep time is about 25 minutes, cook time is 40 minutes, for a total of 65 minutes. First, let's start off with the ingredients. 2.5 pounds chicken breast, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1.5 cups barbecue sauce. I used Stubb's spicy sauce. If you use another sauce, the calories might be different. 1.5 teaspoons paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper, 2 yellow onions, 2 pounds sweet potatoes, and about 1.5 pounds of broccoli. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees and cover 3 baking sheets with tin foil. Now dice your sweet potatoes into 1/2 inch cubes. You can leave the skin on or peel it beforehand. Put the sweet potatoes in a bowl and add in the olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Mix by hand and set aside for now. Next, cut your onions into medium-sized chunks. I find the easiest way to peel an onion is to cut the ends off and then cut the onion in half. Then you can simply pop out the outer layer. Give one of your baking sheets a few spritzes with non-stick spray and evenly spread the sweet potatoes over the pan. Then layer the onions evenly on top. Put the sweet potatoes and onions in the oven for 20 minutes. While the sweet potatoes are cooking, let's cut up the broccoli and chicken. Simply cut the broccoli to your desired size. Give a baking sheet a few sprays of your non-stick spray and put the broccoli on top. Drizzle it with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and season with salt and pepper to taste. For the chicken, you're just gonna trim the fat and then cut the breast into smaller pieces so it cooks evenly. It doesn't have to be pretty since we're gonna be shredding the chicken later. In a bowl, mix the chicken with a little bit of salt and pepper, as well as 1/2 cup of your barbecue sauce. Put the prepared chicken on the last baking sheet. After 20 minutes, turn over the sweet potatoes and onions to ensure they cook evenly, and then add your chicken and broccoli to the oven. Set your timer for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes have passed, flip over the chicken and broccoli, and then you're going to want to wait 5 to 10 more minutes for the chicken to cook through. Then remove from oven. To shred the chicken, you can either use 2 forks or just use your hands. So you're just gonna tear the chicken into chunks and then pull it apart. This step can take some time, so I like to watch YouTube on my phone while I shred it. After you are done shredding the chicken, add the rest of the barbecue sauce and mix evenly. After that, simply add everything to meal prep containers and you're done. What did you guys think of the video? Would you like more content like this? Please leave a comment down below to tell me what you think, and as always, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and most importantly, thanks for watching. Bye!